welcome to Doodle Buddies with Naush. Today we are going to make a wreath, and the wreath is going to be with cardboard as its base and these cupcake liners or biscuit liners. So the first thing we are going to do is use some cardboard, and I am using as a template, I'm using this this wreath skeleton as its for the inner circle and the outer circle. So next we're going to use an X-Acto knife just to cut this whole thing. I'll see you after that. So I decided to change. Instead of having such a big circle here, I'm making a smaller one. There you go. Okay, I've already cut the outer one, but of course I'm going to make it fine. You can see this is not very thick. I've not kept this cardboard. I could have made it double as well, but I know that these will really fluff up, and then you won't be able to see if there's any, the thickness of this cardboard. And say for instance, even if we decide that this is too small, it's okay, we can make another cut over here as well to enlarge it. There you go, voila. You can use any side. But first and foremost, I'm going to just do some finishing on this. You can see how it's not regular or refined, so I'm just going to give it a nice polished. You can see I don't cut it all at once. Like say for instance, I'm still not cutting it all at once. We don't need to paint it because the flowers are going to, these cupcake liners are going to take over the entire thing, so you won't be able to see any of the cardboard behind. Now we can go to the next step. I'm going to just heat up my glue gun, and we're going to see how we want to do this. So we're going to place 3 of them all together over here, this way. And I'm going to decide if I'm going to place something inside it, maybe some sort of a pom-pom or just another colored paper, or I'm just going to leave it white. In all probability, I know I will leave it white because I want to have that wintry kind of snowy look, so I might probably keep it white. Let's see. I'll see you in a bit. So now that we have got the circle ready and the inner circle as well, the first step we're going to do is secure the ribbon so that we can hang our wreath. might want to see if I can find a lighter over here. It's always the things that you need that you can't find, but anyway, we will secure that later. Oh, I know. Okay, anyway, so we're going to place this here. Get it out over here. For that, we're going to just put a dabber. We're going to leave this open. Now we're going to start with, like I said, these are our cupcake liners, our biscuit liners. We're going to just hold them up like this. Use this part. We're going to start from inside and then move on to the outside. To make sure there shouldn't be any space in between them. We're going to complete it this way. Because it is paper and we are sticking it to cardboard, you don't need a whole lot of glue. Just going to take it this way. Flatten it, get hold of, and this is where we're going to stick the glue. Just open it a little bit. I'm going to continue this, the inner circle, and then the middle circle, and then the last. Maggie. So this is how it's looking like right now. These ones are the flat ones. These ones I've tried to open them up. That's how it's going to look. Tilly. So we started the second layer right now. And there you have it. The cookie liner wreath is ready now. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. And if you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please press the bell icon to get notification when I upload my latest videos. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.